I am so happy with your work.
Oh, sir, what are you doing?
But I have a complaint with you. You can give some attention to me also. Come
Oh,
here.
please, Lel ma'am. Such a pervert man.
Till when will you be saved? One day you'll sure be my prey. I love to hunt wild cats. Wild cats very much. Listen, Sujit. Sujit. Where is he? Sujit, listen. Yes, father. Yes, father. He is here now. What are you thinking? I was thinking, who can come and attack you like this? You don't think too much. Whosoever has done this job, inspector will get to know. You do one thing. Go to Vermaji's place and go get the money fast. Okay, father. I'll have the tea and then I'll leave. Go and have the tea at Vermaji's place. Huh? If Vermaji leaves, my work will be incomplete. But father, only one cup of tea. Father, you don't sit here. You make it fast. Vermaji will leave. Go and take the money fast and come. Okay, father. And have the tea there. He doesn't do any work and he's here to drink tea. Hey, daughter-in-law.
Yeah, Dad, coming.
Come here for a minute.
Yeah, Father, I'm coming. Yeah, Father, tell me.
Why are you standing there? Come sit here now.
I can't stay away from you, Daddy.
Why are you sitting so far? Come near me.
Yeah, Father.
Oh, your body is like velvet. And your face looks like the moon.
Actually, will you have tea, Daddy?
Oh, don't call me daddy. Call me Janu, no.
Oh, my darling, will you have tea?
Oh.
Please have tea.
I am so thirsty from last so many months.
Oh, come on. By the way, nobody can say that you are 55.
At this age, you know, man gets more stronger, my baby.
Yeah, really?
Yes, why not? If you want, why don't you try?
Okay, now you see. If you are able to catch me, then whatever you want, you can take it from me.
Is it true?
Yeah, really?
Okay, then I will catch you hard, you know.
I am not any soft toy that you're gonna grab me.
You are like that Alfonso mango, which if I suck,
Oh God.
it is so fun.
Oh, really? Is that? Now come on, catch me. Come
Is
on,
it?
catch
Okay.
me.
Hey.
Come on, come on. Come on, catch me.
Hey, wait!
Oh, my darling, catch me if you can.
I'm coming
come
for
on.
you.
Come on, I know that you cannot catch me. You can't catch me. My darling, come on. Come on,
Don't
catch
make me run like
catch
this.
me if you can. Everything is yours, baby.
Don't make me run like this. Please leave it now.
Oh.
How far will you run, my butterfly?
Now I'll see how brave you are.
Is it
Come
like
on.
this?
Yeah.
Then see,
Come on.
you are mine.
I'm not an easy nut to crack. Listen, you got to work hard to get your fruit.
Okay, is it the reason?
Yeah, that's how it is. Oh God, Daddy, what happened to you? Should I get water for you? What happened? Should I get water for you?
Okay. I have made you full. I have made you full. It's so much of fun. It's so fun.
Oh God, that's not funny at all. I think last night also you were making me fool. You are such a good actor, you should be in film industry.
Don't remind me that
God.
night thing and ruin my mood. Oh, my butterfly.
Daddy,
Come to me, my butterfly.
Oh God. Oh God.
Reena!
Oh God. Actually,
What are you doing at my father's bed?
Daddy called
Are
me.
you crazy, my son? I was having a massage from my daughter-in-law. I fall asleep. And then she might also have got fall asleep. You only think wrong only. Father, I know what is going on here. I have got the money from Vermaji. And I have kept the money in the drawing room. Go and lick the money. Go. And you...
There's nothing like that. How can you think that I and father got physical?
I used to love you, Reena. What didn't I do for you?
What have you done for me? It has been 1 year we are married. You are always behind your father's property. You have never asked me that what I want. Oh God.
Does that mean that you will go and sleep with my father?
It's not like that. You have forgotten that we have made a plan.
Huh?
Please listen to me carefully. Please try to remember that what plan we have made and what all we have spoken about that. Please try to remember that what we spoke. You forgot what all we have planned? You really forgot? What happened, Sujit? Why are you so quiet and sitting quietly over here?
Nothing much here. I don't understand anything. How do I start my own business? I don't get anything.
What do you mean by earning money? Simple.
And where do I get the money from? This old man keep tracks of his every money. When I do anything with this money, he come and catch me. And you know, na, in this house, I don't even have a little bit of share.
If you don't mind, then should I talk about it?
No. How will you explain him?
By taking him out of way.
Have you gone insane? You want to kill my father?
When did I say we'll kill them? We can get him an heart attack. Listen, you know that. When he walks fast, then his chest starts paining really bad. You think about that. If he runs behind me, then he will die soon.
But you know, but why will he run behind you?
Oh God, you know that, right? That old man is a big pervert. By the way, he's getting old, but he thinks he's getting young. Whenever he looks at me, seems like he'll grab me. Why not to take advantage out of it?
Yes, this is a good idea. You tried to impress my father once. I know my father is a pervert. And like this, we can make our plan happen and no one will come to know.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
Yes, this is a lovely idea.
So let's start.
Okay, my lovely darling.